Ajayi Auditorium, University of Lagos, titled The Public in Private. As she says, this is to demonstrate the publicness in private affairs and offers a framework for better understanding of human issues, urging the government to consider the issue of gender-based violence as an urgency to review existing laws. Further stating that gender-based violence is not a private trouble but a public trouble, saying what is considered morally wrong in private is also considered morally wrong in public. The Mass Communication Students Association have put together a MCSA Week for 2023 tagged Resurgence, which aims at providing the department with opportunities and entertainment. The MCSA Week started with Faji Monday on the 10th of April 2023 with a cooking competition where 100-level representatives Olatunji Darasimi, Adeniji Adetutu, and Amechina Marian emerged as winners and went home with a cash prize of 50,000 naira each. For day 2, the MCSA Week proceeded with business and finance session for studentpreneurs on Tuesday, 11th of April 2023 from 11:20 a.m. to 2:20 p.m., which was held online. These sessions had in attendance successful entrepreneurs from the tech industry. The MCSA Week is scheduled to come to an end on the 14th of April 2023. A 300-level mass communication student of the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, Chinaluru Eze, wins the 2023 Future Creative Leaders Academy prize for the Roger Hatchwell Students Academy, as she is to represent Nigeria at the Roger Hatchwell Students Academy in Cannes Lions Festival in France by June 2023. Congratulations! And finally, the Vice-Chancellor of the Lagos State University of Science and Technology, Professor Olufunlayo Adesonya, during the maiden matriculation ceremony of the university says the development of human capital is tied to education, further promising that the institution would provide a high-quality and impactful learning environment with an uninterrupted academic calendar while urging the matriculating students to give undivided attention to their studies. And that's it on the bulletin. Many thanks for watching. I am Vina Peters. Good day.